So car's done, the kit is on, and it looks so damn cool. Let me get this side shot. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Finally, we are heading to California. Me and a friend of mine who owns a Lexus ISF. We're gonna be finally installing my Varis carbon kit. I got it packed up in the car. I'm gonna show you that in a second. So yeah, let's take a look. On my road trips, I typically keep a 360 camera on the outside of the car. It's also harnessed to the mirror, so if it flies off, I'm only damaging my stuff and not somebody else's. And inside the car, we have somehow managed to fit all the carbon. Let's see if I can turn on the light to show it. Yeah, so we got the two front lips there. Oh, sorry, the two side skirts there, front lip. We're also gonna get the new steering wheel installed, the new hybrid blue paddle shifters, and we're gonna do the gear shift knob as well in the hybrid blue matte. So yeah, stay tuned. I gotta go meet up with Ryan, who's the person that's coming with us. So yeah, let's get on the road. All right, so the light is out, the sun is up. We are about 2.5 hours into our journey, still got 4 hours and 44 minutes left. Yeah, so far it's been a good drive. You can see the carbon is like super close to me over here. Got it in bubble wrap. But yeah, I'll update you guys when we get to the next stop. Alright, so here we're looking at Ryan's car, which is a pretty cool car. It's a 2014 ISF. They only sold 86 of them in the United States. And now we're going to take a little brief look at the scenery before we get back into some more action with driving on this road. Here's Ryan right here. If you hear that wind whistling, that is my camera on the outside cutting through the wind. So apologies for that. So Ryan's car is done. Got the new Lamb's front lip looking good, and the carbon grille surround by Elvin Wong. So it looks super cool together. And then in the back, it's got the new Lamb's rear diffuser looking fantastic. All of it PPF'd. So car's done, the kit is on, and it looks so damn cool. Let me get this side shot really quick. Damn, that looks sick. And the satin looks awesome on it. That is so nice. Front lid. Super cool, man. Then all that to go along with the satin side mirrors. Yeah, I think we did good on this one. Oh! Let me go inside and show you guys the new steering wheel too. And the new gear knob here looks good. New shifters. Looking real nice. Super happy with the work. Everything came out perfectly. Now I need to get a rear diffuser to go along with the rest of this. Good morning, folks. We are heading out to South OC Cars and Coffee today. One of the guys is throwing a little gathering for us, and we're gonna all cruise there together. Then we're gonna head down south to see our San Diego family, some more other F cars. And here we are parked up, running a little late, so we're just gonna put our stuff in the trunk and get on the road. We made it to OC Cars and Coffee. Got a bunch of 2UR cars out here, IS500, IS300, really cool GSF. We got Ryan's ISF. Another GSF. A track GSF. This one actually races. Huge carbon wing on the back. Another GSF. Supercharged RCF here. Another GSF. Got the bagged RCF. Next to a bag GSF. ISF. Another ISF. We got my car. Really cool RCF. This is a Global Time Attack RCF, Novell sponsored. Novell hood, the new updated front fascia, Global Time Attack car, huge wing on the back. These are not his track wheels, but super aggressive. Also has equal length headers on there. We got a satin ultrasonic blue RCF, ISF, another ISF, and another ISF to round it all out. We are down here with the San Diego guys that we know, and got a nice little lineup here. My car. Hey, Eric.
Dude, those guys know I don't go. I just got back from the
Got Frank at the Fuji Speedway.
I don't come back down.
Yeah,
So
right.
Up there.
Got the Fuji Speedway RCF here. IS500. Another 2014 ISF.
Oh, this is what I couldn't show earlier.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I was about to pop the hood, a CHP drove by, and then Frank was like, no, don't show it.
It's very hot out here, but we came to do some photo shoot stuff, just a few of us. So we have me and Frank's car sitting here, Fuji Speedway edition, in that really nice satin blue. My car here, blue cars together. Then we got two Supras that came over. And then we got the two ISFs, 2014s, both with the LEMS front lip and rear diffuser. All right, guys, this is the end of the trip. You hear Ryan starting his car. We are finally driving back to Arizona. I love this body kit. I think it really complements the car, and I think that the paddle shifters with the new steering wheel, they look so good. They don't stand out. And also like the gear knob shifter too. As you can see, it looks like it's all supposed to be there. It's kind of like an OEM plus look. So if you guys want any of these parts, just ask me in the comments and I will let you know where to get them. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.